Hey guys, welcome to day 3 of Vlogmas. Today we're doing the 100 chicken nugget challenge from McDonald's. I'm doing it with my friend Bree.
Hey.
And we're gonna try to eat 100 chicken nuggets under 10 minutes. Anyway, let's get started with the challenge. Okay, can we have
100 nuggets.
Can we have 100 chicken nuggets?
You said 100?
Yeah.
30, 40, 80. Okay, and what sauce did you want with those?
What sauce do you want?
Barbecue.
Can we have 10 barbecue sauces and 10 sweet and sours?
Okay, anything else for you?
And then can I have a large Sprite with no ice?
Okay, anything else?
Larger? That's it.
Alrighty, and your total will be $29.91.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Only $29.91?
Yeah, that's pretty cheap. I thought it would be more expensive. But anyway. So we are currently waiting for our 100-piece chicken nuggets. They had to push us to the other window because it's a big order, obviously. So we're waiting for that.
Relax.
Hi. Thank you. Okay, we have our nuggets. Now we're gonna go home and start the challenge. We're taking the nuggets out and laying them out. And then look at all the sauce they gave us. So much ketchup and barbecue sauce, whatever. And we're laying it out and getting ready to eat them. Okay, so we have all the nuggets set up. We're ready to start the challenge. We're gonna eat 100 nuggets under 10 minutes. You think you can do it?
No.
I'm gonna put the timer on my phone. And it's gonna be 10 minutes to the dot.
Oh wait, we're gonna open up the sauce that we want.
Oh yeah, we should do that definitely.
Open up our sauces.
Okay. As you can see, we have all these sauces around, so I'm gonna do the sweet and sours. Oh my god, this is gonna be so nasty. I feel sick.
I feel sick already too. That's all you need is that. It's 100.
I mean, I could open more later.
But we only got 10 minutes. You need a
10 minutes is a long time.
No, not when.
You guys watch. I'm about to eat so many nuggets. I feel like I could eat 100 under 10 minutes.
I feel like Maggie can eat 100.
I feel like I can.
I can't. I'm gonna let you know.
I know
right now,
you can.
But I'm gonna try to eat at least 50.
Okay, that's enough sauces for me. Okay, I'm gonna start the timer. So nasty. Go!
I never liked when you sounded like.
Oh, this is long. I feel sick already. I feel full already.
They're hard to chew too.
They are. We should have done that thing like they have a food contest where they dip it in water and they dip the hot dogs in water and then just swallow them.
Negative.
Okay, we are at 8 minutes and 40 seconds left, and I've eaten a total of 4 nuggets at this point. So we're not doing so well. Well, I'm not doing so hot. Bree's going faster than me.
Ugh. My jaw is tired. She's trying to chop it up.
I need to drink water. Let's start. Oh, I'm losing. I'm losing. No, you died already. What's going on?
I am. Oh my gosh, I'm defeated.
Jimmy! Keep going! Keep going! You have all your nuggets left! Keep going!
I can't even see.
Not that you're blind. Okay.
I'm hot. I'm working hard.
We're at 7 minutes.
This is definitely more than 10 nuggets they threw in there.
Yeah, what the heck? This is like 12. Okay, time now. Six minutes, there's no way. That took me 4 minutes to finish that whole thing. There's no way we're gonna do it. Okay, I feel sick.
Me too.
I feel fat.
Oh, y'all. I'm struggling.
Me too. I thought my stomach was bigger than this.
I'm surprised I ate this many. That's number 15.
I know, I'm surprising you too. Because you really eat anything. I thought I was gonna beat you for sure.
This is like my first meal of the day. I had a couple bites of oatmeal and then that's it. So let's go.
Okay, we are at 4 minutes. Yeah, we're losers. We're definitely losing this challenge.
Not me.
Dude,
I'm about to do 50.
there's no way.
This right here is number 16. This tough. We should have did that spicy noodle.
I know, they made us look so easy on YouTube. Y'all must have really big stomachs because I can't even finish this one.
17.
I'm so behind and I feel like vomiting. I'm never eating nuggets again after this from McDonald's. Okay, speed round.
I can't throw up.
I was literally just about to throw
If
up.
she throw up,
It was like this close. I feel it in my... You know when you feel it when you're about to throw up, you feel it in your throat? I can feel it. Whoa, 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 whoa. Excuse me. Why do these nuggets look suddenly disgusting to me? They look repulsive!
You about to make me
They look repulsive! Look at the way that they cook them! Look at them! Look at them! Did they even cook them? 2 minutes! Okay, I'm gonna try to finish this.
That's why she be finna throw up. Look at this. I need 2 more to be at 20.
Why are you clapping like you won? We failed! We failed epically!
We did 20.
The fact that I just ate 3 nuggets at the same time. Not even rocking back and forth!
I'm ready to sing some spiritual, boy. I am getting ready to pass over. How much time we got left? How much time we got left?
1 minute to the dot.
1 minute. Let me just... Okay. 1 minute, y'all. My eyes starting to water. Things are getting tough. Every time I open my mouth. Every time I open my mouth.
The vomit wants to come out! It wants to come out! It's so hard to swallow right now. Stop rubbing your body. Why did I let you go? Oh my god. Time's up. Time's up. Oh my god.
It's in that nugget I had in my mouth.
That noise! Yo! You really vomited. Look, her eyes are watering.
Y'all can't eat this much stuff, like.
Are you okay? Are you good? You
Well,
your teeth.
I need this stuff to throw up.
Oh god, take that back away! Okay guys, well that is the 100-piece chicken nugget challenge, which we epically failed. We were only able to eat 20 each and I ate 18. And we have all this left, so we failed the challenge.
I had 21. And now, yeah, this other one would have been 22.
Okay, so the one that she vomited, she didn't count.
Yeah.
And so, and so that's the challenge, guys. Comment below if you ever thought you were ever gonna finish them in the first place, because I honestly thought I would, but I really disappointed myself today. because I just thought I had a bigger stomach. Like I don't know what happened.
I knew I wouldn't. I've never eaten the full 10 nuggets, first of all. And now this, I'm definitely gonna be sick.
Look how much is left. Look. How much is
60.
60 left. 60. Fail.
It's too empty.
Dang. Well, anyway, guys, thank you so much for watching. Also, comment below if you enjoyed this video. Give us a thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel. Anything else you want to say, Bree?
Yeah, make sure you guys like it and everything. Turn on them post notifications. This was a challenge. We were way in over our heads.
Definitely.
And yeah, it was fun.
It was fun, but it was a fail.
Not cute at all.
Thank you guys so much for watching. See you